Okay guys, this is another video how to make number 2. Wait, it's good. Number 2. Number 2 to a bird. It's very easy. Just text me in the videos if it is on. So I'm gonna tell you how to make it. No. This it. Make this a letter that. That's it. So guys, tell me it's good or it's not. I'm gonna think of number 1 to making. No. Oh, this is case again. Fudge. Okay. Just write in the comments. Subscribe. Subscribe and comment. So guys, really subscribe and comment if you like it. Subscribe. Hey, this is my brother. It's a big boy now. If you really like my video, rate it with 3 stars. If you don't like it, 1 star. If you really like it, 5 stars. Please, I'm begging. I really wanted you to like my video. I want me to be so